A truck was moving fast on the highway. It stayed in its lane, maintaining speed. Traffic ahead was flowing normally. On the right lane, a car was driving alongside. Everything seemed under control. But suddenly, the car lost control. It drifted off the road. Dust rose as it went off-road briefly, then, without warning, the car swerved back onto the highway. It entered the truck's lane. The driver of the truck reacted, but there was no time. Within seconds, boom, a powerful collision happened. The car slammed into the truck. The impact was massive. The car lost control again. It spun sideways and crashed into the divider. Crash! The divider broke under the force. Debris scattered across the road. Traffic slowed down in shock. Everything happened in just a few seconds. Later, according to reports, the driver suffered a medical emergency. A sudden condition that led to a dangerous crash.